Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Glad to see you here. Today I want to share with you the information how to buy Bitcoin fast, safe and easy, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. If you're interested in that issue and you think that it's pretty complicated and you need some wallets or it's difficult, it's not. I want to show you the way. I want to show you the platform that I'm trading on and that I'm holding all my cryptocurrencies on it. To this IQ option, you need to sign up first. Of course, first name, last name, your country, your phone number or email. And I prefer email. Creating password, you confirming that you're 18 years old, blah blah, and you open account for free. Or of course, you can press the Facebook button or you can press the Google button and get into the platform with no difficulties and absolutely easy. I'm already on the platform and I will log in right now and I will trade now, and I want to show you the platform itself. I want to show you that there's no difficulties with buying or selling any cryptocurrencies that are available on the platform. As you can see right here, I have already some Bitcoin and I have even profit on it because the price went up. I want to show you right here in the left top corner, you have the pop-up list, and here you need to find there's plenty of tools to trade on. This is great platform and I left the link in the description panel. If you want to easily get to the platform, you just need to find the link, press it, sign up, log in, and that's it. You find in crypto, and here you go. There's a list of all the cryptocurrencies that are available on the platform. Of course, this most popular: Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, MySgo, and so on, so on. Of course, we have Bitcoin. You probably know the situation about the Bitcoin, about the prices of Bitcoin, and I think that you interested in this question, this issue, how to buy Bitcoin. This platform is absolutely suitable for the purposes of buying, selling, and holding cryptocurrency because it's safe. It's pretty old right now because right now in the 21st century, a lot of platforms allows you to buy Bitcoin, but they are not all safe and they are not all legal. So that's why I left the link especially for you, so you can find it easily and you can get to the platform and you can buy or sell Bitcoin. In a matter of fact, you can make couple of purchases, you can make couple of actions. So you change in the amount of your deposit, you change in the amount of your purchase, and depending on the information which way the price is going for now, you making your decision, buy or sell. So I made a purchase right here on this spot and the price went up, and right now even I have a profit from my investment on the Bitcoin. There's other cryptocurrencies. They are pretty much moving actually the same way as Bitcoin, but they are it not depend on a Bitcoin. A lot of experts saying that pretty much all the cryptocurrencies moving the same way after the Bitcoin. So I want to buy for 1,000. I want to buy a Bitcoin. Okay, cool. Platform takes a small fee. Any platform takes a small fee for all the actions with the cryptocurrency. And here you go. My position is opened. And I have Bitcoin. There's total BTC purchased. There's total investment. And there's like all the numbers that you need. That's it. You have a Bitcoin. You can open any currency that you like. You can open any any cryptocurrency that you know or that you believe in, for example. There's a lot of them. MySQL, for example. You see the price is jumping high, and a lot of people think there's a great widget right here in the left side of the screen. There's a great widget that shows how all the traders on the platform right now, what are they doing? They buying or they selling? So a lot of people thinking that you should buy, and okay, $1,000 buy, and we created the position. This position will be automatically closed if your losses will be the 95%. So you shouldn't worry about that. And that's it. You just need to wait some time to make your profit. Or if you, for example, want to close your position, I can close my position with a profit right now. You can separately close this position. So that's it. Now you have a Bitcoin. This is very reliable platform, and it's old. I told you already that it's not new, it's not fresh, and it will not disappear tomorrow, for example. And you can hold and you can earn money on this platform with cryptocurrencies and with your investment. So that's it, guys. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. This is the important thing that I wanted to say. And of course, try to invest if you're interested in cryptocurrencies. Watch other videos about it, and wish you good luck, wish you big profits. See you in the next video. Bye.